Hi everyone, I'm starting with how to make for the video for the Lisianthus. I'm going to make a dinner table arrangement. I'm first starting to glue and cover up the base with wool with the hot glue gun. First starting with bigger pieces and then above that I put the little ones to give it some depth as well. And here I have some spoons, just bend it and then the flower arrangement will stand on the base. This Oasis base have a soft foam base, so you can put the spoons in easily. The whole base is covered up, and then we can start with the flowers. Some yellow limonium, three beautiful colors of Lisianthus that blend well in together. Lisianthus is a very strong flower to put in oasis, so it's very easy to use them in an oasis arrangement. Nice arrangement of Lisianthus for your dinner table.